Good evening, friends. Hope you are all doing well. I am back here with Power BI Series 2. So in this series, I will be discussing about the uses of Power BI and how to load data into Power BI. So as you can see uses of Power BI. First, we'll see the uses. First one is raw data can be constructed into tables. So what does this mean? Raw data can be constructed into tables means, what is raw data first of all? Raw data is nothing but it is the data which is not in a meaningful form. Okay, just we will have different data that is name, employee name, designation, salary, net. Separately we'll have that is called raw data. Or if you take sales data like salesman name and then the region, then profit, then what is this target. So all these different fields which are not interlinked or connected to each other, that is called raw data. Okay, so that raw data we will take and we will construct it into a table. Okay, that is the use of Power BI. Okay, then you can ask me, sir, we can do that in Excel also. So what is the difference between that and this? So here we can create relationships for the fields after creating tables. We can create customized tables, okay, which we cannot create in Excel. Okay, now second one is data sets can be made from this data. So what does this mean? Data set means, what is data set? Again, we'll see a data set is a set of data having different fields. Okay. And third one is we can connect, prepare, transform data using Power BI. This we call it as Power Query Editor in Power BI. Okay, here we will connect to the data. We will prepare. Prepare means whatever columns we require, we will take that, and whatever columns we do not require, we'll delete that. And we will prepare a table and we'll transform this data into Power BI. Okay. And fourth one is can import data and export using Power BI. So we can import data and export data. So import means we can import data from different external sources. So these sources can be like Excel, PDF format, or SQL Server. From anywhere we can take this data and then import that into Power BI, and we can export data also. So exporting data means once we prepare the table from Power BI, we can export it as PDF, Excel, anywhere you want. Okay, that we can do. And we can paste data into a blank table. So if you had earlier worked on Excel, so if you want to paste any data into a table, it will be like it takes some time. Like columns will have different width and it will not match. All those things will be there. So all the column field names should be same to paste data into the Excel table. But here in Power BI, what we can do is we can just paste data into a blank table like blindly. So it will automatically take and will put that into a table. Okay, and next one is data visualizations can be made for data using Power BI. So this separately we will be doing in Excel, like creating a graph. We can create bar graph, line graph, pie chart, all those things we can do. But what extra we can do in Power BI is we have different data visualizations, like different graphs we have. Not only bar graph, pie graph, or line graph, we'll have different graphs. We'll see that in coming sessions. Okay. Then next one is smart narratives can be automatically prepared using Power BI. This is an excellent feature which Power BI has. So smart narratives means you have a table like think employee table. So you don't know what to narrate about the table. So you are weak in English. So what Power BI does for you is it will automatically write a smart narratives of the table by analyzing the data and giving it. That also we'll see in the coming sessions. I will show you how it will be done. Okay. So that is an excellent feature. And next one is what if analysis is made with the data. So what if analysis? So what happens if we change a parameter, how it will affect the other parameters? So that is also a good feature in Power BI. Now data models can be prepared for the data. So different types of data models we can prepare, like which are interlinked, which have relationships, that we can do. And we can sort the data using tables. So once table is constructed, we can sort that alphabetically, like numerically, ascending order, descending order, like whatever order you want, we can sort the data. So these are all uses of Power BI. So the main this Power BI does is it will analyze the data and then it will give you different reporting will be very effective. Like we can create different beautiful reports with all the data visualizations. Okay. Now hope you can you have understood this. And now we'll go to the loading of data into BI. How we'll load data into BI? So this is really important. So please concentrate. Loading data from Excel, I am showing this for you. Okay. So what you have to do is first create a table in an Excel. Okay. So like here I have given employee number, name, designation, department, basic, gross, PF and net. Okay, this you prepare it in an Excel. And after preparing this table, I hope everyone knows how to prepare a table in Excel. Just take in one column employee name, employee number, give all the 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, and then employee name, designation, and then you give a border for that, create it as a table. And then after that, what you will do is you open a Power BI desktop. Okay, you can see here. See, this is the Power BI desktop. And after that, what you have to do is you go to Home tab. Okay, from Home tab, you will have this Get Data. Get Data option is there. See, below this insert get data option is there. So what it will do is it will show all the data sources from where we are getting the data. So one is Excel workbook, Power BI data sets, Power BI data flows, then Dataverse, SQL Server, Analysis Servers, Services, Test CSV, Web, OData feed, and then blank query and Power BI template apps, and more also are there, more sources are there. We'll see that also. So for time being, what we'll do is we'll just select Excel workbook from this option. Once you select this workbook, see, you will get this import data from Microsoft Excel workbook. So after selecting this, what you will do is you will get a pop-up, and then it will from where this employee file is being taken. So you just click on that file, say open, and then you will get a navigator pop-up. Okay, once you get this navigator pop-up, in this navigator pop-up, you will see sheet 1, employee Excel, and then below that you will see suggested tables also. So what Power BI does, it will take both, but sheet 1, it's Excel file, it won't take, it will take in the format of table. So what you have to do is you just click on this table, table 1. So once you click on this table 1, see, you will get a table 1 sheet here. Okay, table 1 of sheet 1. Okay, here you can see all whatever we have created in Excel is shown here. That means employee number, employee name, designation, department, all the fields have come. Okay, and below that there are 3 buttons. One is load, transform data, cancel. So what are the use of these 3 buttons? What this load will do is, if you click on this load, it will automatically load this table into Power BI. That is simple, just loading the data. Okay, and what is this button? Transform data. Okay, this will also load data into table, but what is the difference between load and transform data? So this is one of the questions in interview. Okay, they can ask, what is the difference between load and transform? So interviewer will ask, both are used for transforming, loading the data. Then what is the difference? So you have to tell that first one is loading the data and second one is transform data. Means we can choose whatever columns we want. Only that columns we can choose and then we can load the data. That is the difference between load and transform. Okay, hope you understand. And now once you do this, in coming sessions, I will show you the in detail about this transform data, which is nothing but Power Query Editor. Okay. Now, once you click on this load, see here a pop-up will come again. Table 1 is loading. Okay, loading data into model. Okay, that message will be displayed, and after that, once loading is done, that's it. Okay, you will get again this pop-up, this desktop. Sorry for that. So after getting that loading the table, so you can see the table on the right hand side. Okay, upper right hand side here, table 1, sheet 1 is, you can see here. Now what you will do is, see, you can see a greater than sign next to this table 1. So just click on that greater than sign, you will get all the columns here, one below the other. So that means your table has been loaded into the Power BI. Okay, so for this session, you know that how to load data into Power BI and then use of Power BI. So in the next session, we will see the other features. Okay, thank you very much.